If you want to learn how to delete a folder in your Yahoo Mail account, then this is how you're going to do it. So first step, you're going to head over to your mail.yahoo.com, and then from here, you're just going to make sure that you're signed in or you have already created an account. Now, from here, you're going to head over to the left side panel until you see this folders section right there. Now, you will see all of the available folders that you currently have. Just what you're going to do is you're just going to hover your mouse over this sample folder that you have or any other folder that you want to delete. And then from there, you're just going to click on this three dots icon right beside it. And then from there, you're just going to click on delete folder. Now, once you click on that, you don't have to click on any more buttons. You don't have to confirm anymore. And as you can see here, the sample folder has already been deleted, and it's that quick and easy. All you have to do is to follow all of these steps. And if you have more folders that you want to delete, you can just do the same thing with this one. One important thing to note though is that you cannot delete any folder that has emails in it. So if you currently have, or if your folder that you want to delete currently have emails in it, you're gonna have to delete all of the emails in that folder first before you can delete the folder. And then once you're done with deleting all of the emails, then you can start with following this tutorial. And that's it. That is how you can delete folders in Yahoo Mail. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And if you have more questions, please don't hesitate to ask them in the comments down below. And if you have more questions regarding more tutorials, then you could just check out some other of our videos in our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.